Welcome everybody. So today we'll make a C program to check if a triangle is equilateral, isosceles or scalene. This IDE is online GDB. So the link will be in the description. So I've already written hash include stdio.h and int main. So let's start by initializing the variables int side 1, side 2 and side 3. So we only need three variables here, all the sides. So let's ask for the input printf enter the sides of the triangle. Okay, then a semicolon, scanf, and then percent %d d comma percent %d comma percent %d. So the user will enter three values ampersand side 1 comma ampersand side 2 comma ampersand side 3. So all the three variables will be entered here. Next we will write the if statements. So if so side 1 is equal to side 2, we will use the logical operator and, which is two ampersands. Then side 2 is equal to side 3. So this is basically if all the sides are equal to each other, then it should print that the triangle is equilateral. If all these things are true, then only it will print. Okay, so next we will write the printf statement. Printf, oh, so printf, the triangle is equilateral. So the triangle is equilateral. Okay, so else if statement, so it would be same as the one, but in spite of the and logical operator, we will use the or logical operator. So side 1 is equal to side 2. So this basically means that if anyone is true, then only it will print that it is isosceles. Side 2 is equal to side 3, or side 1 equal to side 3. Okay, so now printf, the print statement would be the triangle is isosceles. Okay, isosceles. Okay, so the I forgot to put the semicolons. So next the else statement. So if anything is false, then straight up it will tell the user that the triangle is scalene. Okay, so the program is ready. Let's check if any typos or semicolons have been left out. No, I don't think so. So let's run the program. Okay, so it's compiling. So enter the sides of the triangle. So let's first check if the equilateral is working right. 10, comma 10, comma 10. Okay, so the equilateral is working fine. Let's check if the isosceles is working. So 10, comma 20, comma 20. So this is isosceles. Yes. So the isosceles one is also working. So let's check the scalene one. Okay, compiling. Yes. So now 10, comma 20, comma 30. Okay, yes. So all is working. So hope you enjoy this video. Hope you like this video. Please like and share this video. Also, please subscribe to our channel as I'll be posting more C related videos in the future. Thank you.